Today I'm going to Yiwu International Trade City to find some product for my customer. Okay, let's go. I'll take the number 36 bus to Yiwu International Trade City. Okay, my price is coming. Now we have arrived District 2 of Yiwu Trade City. Okay, let's go. Yeah. 牙印的这是，哇，这是覆膜的是吧？啊？覆膜的吧，这是。你做什么的呢？我采购外贸采购，给客户找。这都起订量多少啊？这袋子？有些是5000，有些是1万。 这个也是无纺布的，这是什么材料？毛毡布。嗯。麻毡布。像这种覆膜，这个就最低就是。 Now I have talked with 7 or 8 manufacturers. Next, I'm going to their factory to have a look, inspect their specific workshop and quality, and then finally decide which one to place an order with. Okay, let's go.